Good morning from Las Vegas. This is from the Mirage Hotel. Across is Encore Hotel, Treasure Island, Wynn, Palazzo, Venetians, and if you could see all the way down is the Harrods also down there. And those are the front. This is the front from the front street from the Mirage Hotel. Today we are going to. I'm going to Hoover Dam. And hopefully I'll get some shots over there, and from there we'll see how does the day go. I heard today is a very hot day in Vegas. Here's a room. It's not so bad, simple. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. For that side is we are in a Las Vegas lake going towards the Hoover Dam with Jan, David, and Tabitha. This poor driver.
Poor driver gonna hit the lake.
Poor driver gonna hit the lake? No.
It looks tasty.
It's very beautiful.
Hoover Dam is.
No.
Because we're 10 minutes from the dam.
Yeah, it's far away. Very beautiful.
That is very beautiful. When she's never really outside
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, take the third
Oh my God, we're in a
Nevada
tunnel.
172.
We're going through a mountain. Is this a mountain we're going through?
It's a tunnel. I thought it was. That would have been cool. It's the coolest
Where?
under the bridge.
Under the overpass.
Okay.
You see the Hoover Dam Bridge walkway.
Okay.
Exit the traffic circle onto Nevada 172.
Wanna
Then
check
turn
it out?
right onto Nevada 172.
No, this is taken.
And swing it to
Turn
the
right onto
right.
Nevada 172. Hoover Dam access road.
Yeah. It's a little more of a Your spot?
Not yet.
We're waiting for the checkpoint for the Hoover Dam.
Hello.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Any firearms on board?
Nope.
I didn't hear you.
No.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Howdy. How
To you.
Well, let's go to here first.
one's closest?
Closest one, you know.
That makes sense.
Okay, so you don't need the directions anymore.
Okay, what is this? This place?
Yeah, you wanna walk all the way up there with your knee? Go ahead.
Yes.
Go.
I feel
You
the
have a-
Look around
surge.
that safe.
Feel the surge,
This is a bridge before the go to Hoover Dam. That's what they say. Let's see. It is hot.
Hey, Sonny.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, we
Welcome
started
to Hoover.
walking.
I'll take pictures of this. We can read it all later when it's not. We're not in the hot.
When I come back, I'll take it.
It feels great. I mean, it feels really
Feels
good.
great until you're freaking.
Man, this is
Can you
hot.
Imagine the sunburn.
Okay,
We're
Tabitha.
at the Hoover Dam.
There you go.
Welcome to
To-
my blog.
Yes. Hope I can make it with this broken knee all the way to the up.
You know what? Grandma could have came. It has a
The
scooter.
scooter could
Yeah.
right on it.
Well, she doesn't want this. We're going down to Hoover Dam downstairs. I'm going down right now towards the car. Towards right now, where I'm direction is right now is that's Nevada, and if you go like this direction, this is Arizona. I'm sure the building. Okay. Right in the center of the Hoover Dam. Beautiful. Goddamn hell Hot like a hell. That dog's paw must be really hot. I'm getting hot. This is hot, hot, hot. Hoover Dam, named in the honor of the Robert Clark Hoover. What is that? 31st President of the United States. I think I'm right in the middle of the Hoover Dam now.
As you look over the wall, this placid body of water doesn't appear to be dangerous. By building the dam here in Black Canyon, we backed up the Colorado River, creating this 110-mile-long man-made well. With a short
But it's beautiful. People comes all over the world to see this place. The arch of the Dutch Bridge is beautiful than anything else. Right top of the Hoover Dam. I probably says almost 100 times Hoover Dam today. All the people comes to get this heat. Oh, there, Tabitha. You have to do the water over here. Huh? Let me see. Yeah, it will work. See? Reverse. See?
I tried, it didn't work.
Your water was heavy, maybe. No, you put it a little bit slowly. Your water pressure is high.
Oh, you see some of it though?
Yeah. Here, try to do it here. See, water pressure. You can tell by this one. See, this. It doesn't go down. Tap. Look, it doesn't go down. It goes back. Maybe throw it a little farther, Tap.
Go farther, David. Farther.
Can I drink that water? Yeah, it's coming up. Wait, back.
Oh, you ready?
Okay. Yeah, it is. Go ahead.
Felt it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get in my camera lens. Yeah, see?
Cool.
Tap that. See? It doesn't go. I will see you later. Taking somewhere now. I don't know where to take it. I'm done with the Hoover Dam, so one more time. Take it all the way around. It's not windy.
Feel how cold the water is.
Yes.
Feels good. Alcohol?
Nevada desert moss. Okay, now we go slowly, everybody. What's that's town we're going to downtown now? It start from the Z. That's a town upstairs.
I forgot.
Gunther?
Boulder.
Boulder.
Downtown Boulder City.
Boulder City, yeah.
You know what a boulder is, right?
Yeah. What is it?
It's a rock. A big rock. A very, very big rock.
We're gonna go mining in a Boulder City.
Mining.
Hey, we're in a crossing towards Hoover Dam main place.
In the middle, you're going, Sonika!
This is the iconic place right here. Under these things.
If it's windy enough, the water comes back up.
Too bad.
No
It
wind.
wasn't windy, so water didn't we didn't get the reverse
We fed the
wind.
dam.
Yeah. But overall, we have a good time.
We fed the damn water this time.
We saved actually $30 here.
We gave a tour ourselves.
We gave a tour ourselves.
Tap is offering $25 tours now.
Yeah. Okay, that's the American flag. Nice one. You can tell no wind. Flag is not moving.
America.
What's that statue? Wow, that's a cool.
It's
American
the
flag.
Of our country should fly here in honor of those men who inspired a vision, lonely lands made fruitful, conceived this great work.
Okay,
and of these
this is
other
the
wholesome, genuine,
this is the
beautiful
visitor center,
invention and
Tabitha.
Yes.
If you wanna go pay $30, that's the visitor center. You go and you go underneath the dam and look at it.
In the
How
water?
the water supply goes here.
Yeah, I
You can
don't
look it
care.
up on YouTube.
And that's amazing right there.
Yeah.
The bridge. Do you believe we were in the middle of that?
We were in it all the way top. Look at there's some people there. When
Well,
we
look
went
at the
over
tunnel
there,
going through this whole mountain.
there was a lot of people.
Mysterious.
Now we're hungry.
Chinatown.
About 40 minutes we'll be in a Chinatown.
Vietnamese.
And we're gonna eat Vietnamese soup. Pho.
Whoa.
Pho.
Pho.
Johnny said pho. I said pho. You're going pho.
Pho.
Oh,
I get one of those drink Tabitha with the ball.
I never
Boba.
laughed so hard, Grandma, my friend. She's like, I'm eating my favorite thing ever. I was like, what? She said to me, F-O. I'm like, what the heck is she talking about? What is a pho?
Pho.
She meant to put
P-H-O.
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 She put F-O.
F-O.
Johnny,
Pho.
Food.
Foo.
Food.
I was like, foo.
Pho.
What the heck is
F-O pho too. F-O pho.
foo?
Yeah, let's eat some soup. That's it.
That's cool.
Kind of hungry now.
Some-
Okay,
some
we're going to
apple.
Las Vegas. Okay, Tabitha, put a GPS to
Chinatown.
Chinatown.
To Mirage.
No, first we gotta go to that downtown, don't we? Yeah, right here. Welcome to Nevada.
Welcome to Nevada. We were in Arizona and Vegas today.
Yep.
Look at that. Look how the rock fall. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
They put the bridge.
Look how the wall is made out of rock.
Yeah. See the fall. That's neat.
That is neat. Take a nap just off the rocks.
I was walking because that's a heat. My voice was dried out.
Yeah, mine too.
And go to the room after eat. Go to pool.
yeah, I'm so excited to go to the pool. I haven't gone there yet. I haven't even seen it.
And then go to the show. 6 o'clock have to be ready. 6 o'clock be ready.
You have,
Yeah, we have to go a little early.
6 o'clock.
You got it. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Maybe we go to. Wait a second. Well,
There's not so
here I have nothing to say. So this going back now.
I'll be back later with the vlog.
Signing off.
Okay.